Moving on, first they wanted a ban on skirts and phones for women, but not content with just those bizarre diktats, the Hindu Mahasabha General Secretary now wants to move the Supreme Court to declare item girls as prostitutes.
Upon reaching Meerut, we met Naveen Tyagi, who's the General Secretary of Hindu Mahasabha in Uttar Pradesh. Upon questioning him on the bizarre diktat being issued by the Jind unit of Hindu Mahasabha, where they had banned mobile phones for girls and also implemented a dress code for girls going to schools and colleges, not only did Naveen Tyagi come out in full support of such a diktat, but what followed was even more appalling. In a conversation aside with the Times Now crew, Naveen Tyagi revealed a plan of the Hindu Mahasabha where they will be moving the Supreme Court, asking it to term all women coming in movies wearing short dresses and all item girls as prostitutes.
डिमांड ये है कि अंग प्रदर्शन करने वाले जो कलाकार है ये कलाकार तुम कह नहीं सकते, सीधी बात है। जो आइटम गर्ल्स कर रही हैं, अंग प्रदर्शन कर रही हैं, जो बहुत तरीके से समाज के अंदर गंदगी फैला रही हैं, उनको वैश्या की संज्ञा दी जानी चाहिए।
ये कब आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट में? ये
मेरे भी वकील से बात हुई है, विष्णु जैन है वकील, गाजियाबाद में रहते हैं और बहुत जल्दी हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाने वाले हैं।
In fact, this is a strategy of the Hindu Mahasabha to send the message that if women dress indecently, then they will be barred from the society.
देखो विरोध तो हमारा
इलाकों से निकलवाया जाएगा।
देखो विरोध तो हमारा सदा से है। विरोध तो एक बात नहीं, जब दर्जा अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट मान ले, अगर मानो इस बात को, क्योंकि वकील छोटे मोटे वकील तो है नहीं हमारे साथ। हम लोगों ने पूरी इस पे हमारी चर्चा चलती है हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन, और मैं गाजियाबाद जा भी रहा हूँ 2 दिन के अंदर, वहाँ भी हमारी चर्चा होनी है।
तो वैश्य का दर्जा मिलने का समाज से बाइकाट करेंगे?
समाज से बाइकाट ही होगा इनका हर हालत में।
The Hindu Mahasabha has been coming up with such bizarre diktats because of the growing support that they have been getting from the people and also from various political parties. In fact, the Hindu Mahasabha claims that they get a strong backing from the Bharatiya Janata Party. But this time around, even the BJP has turned its face away, in fact saying that all political parties should unite together and stand up against organizations such as the Hindu Mahasabha who are curtailing the freedom of women in this country.
Any organization which speaks in a way which is demeaning for the female gender is absolutely someone which has to face the fire of the day.
Not just political parties, the Bollywood fraternity too giving a befitting counter.
Can be in shorts, you better respect me for that. That's my choice to wear it.
And maybe that man is a misfit more than the women that he's talking about.
Meanwhile, as outrage peaks over his ridiculous words and demand, the national unit of Hindu Mahasabha, under pressure, has distanced itself.
Today's time, where we talk about empowerment of women in this country, the regressive mindset of organizations such as the Hindu Mahasabha are pulling the nation down. In fact, the Hindu Mahasabha has no regret for the thought process that they follow because they feel that these are the values that were left behind by our ancestors. And unfortunately, till today, there have been no successful implementation of any laws to ban such organizations who roam around freely, curtailing the right and freedom of women in this country. With video journalist Virendra, this is Aditya Narayanan in Delhi for Times Now.